Hello. It is Friday. Ready to kick it in. It's been a little, just a little crazy for me the last few days, but I'm feeling so much better. I feel like a whole new human being. Kind of reinvigorated, ready to go again. I have been drinking my juice. This thing was totally full a while ago, and this has actually made a lot more juice than I'm used to drinking, so I'm taking it a little bit slower today. The last few days have been a little crazy on the market. Let's look at them. So you can see right here, it's just kind of whipped back and forth between these areas. Man, I really feel intensely like this is going to push down. Hold on a second. We can look through the rest of the stuff in a minute. I'm looking at the MACDs, the way they're continuing up. We'll go to the daily chart in just a moment. Wow, okay, let me actually move this. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. Let's go ahead really quick and look at the daily chart so everything can be laid out properly for us. Reversal bar looks like it's trying to push up, but wow, there was no follow through here. So the MACDs really look like they're trying to push down. This could easily not be a reversal bar very soon. Glad I didn't just jump into this one. Whew, man, it looks like it's really trying to push down, though. I'm gonna give it a shot. Yep, like right now. There we go. That's how you start a day off. All right, we're at this area. We're starting to break through that bottom Bollinger Band. It's starting to show strength down here. Ooh, wonder how far this thing could go. Obviously not that far. Yeah, 275 is going to work. Ugh. Got to be kidding me. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. It hasn't exceeded this point. It may give a good pushback, but I'm just gonna be patient for a moment. Actually gonna pull this in just a little tighter. Oh my goodness. So there we go. steady 2 points here in just a moment. Yeah. Starting to see this pull back a little bit deeper. I'm going to go ahead and hit close. Okay. Starting to cut in pretty tight there. I do believe this is still going to go up. Okay. I was putting things away. And I decided that I couldn't pass up on this one. It was almost hard to catch because it flew up here really quick. So I set my target, or I set my entry right here and just let it kind of pull back and catch it. See this coming back into here. It would have definitely hit my break even. Catch me. Oh, there we go. Feel that little bit of anxiety building up as it's starting to pull down here, knowing that this has a really good potential of hitting my stop. Probably see happen is this pull down a little bit further, make a deeper pivot, and then push up if it's going to. I've seen a lot more signs for this to hit my stop. Why am I actively ignoring them? Okay, I keep closing this out, certain that I'm done for the day, and I'm just feeling like I'm in the trading mood. So that last one took me out, and I was actually I'm gonna leave it out, but I'm actually kind of arguing with myself over why I'm watching this and letting it pull back. I mean, I'm watching this pull outside. I'm going, why am I staying in this trade? Those are actually words I was saying to myself during that. So I was listening to music that I wanted to put over my trading today, and this puppy set up. Why is my mouse? Everything seems to be off, but that's okay. You know what? As long as my health is good, I don't care. We hit that first target. I need to be at a break even. But, you know, just watching this now do all the things that I've been anticipating it to do is great. We're gonna go ahead and exit this one. I'm actually done. I gotta be done now. I have this hard close up, this hard push to the downside is a good signal of the push back down. We have a lot of space to run back. We can see what's happened with a lot of this today. It's given strong runs back to that opposite area. Okay, so now I've got a couple videos I've got to splice together. The first video is the first 2 trades. The second video is the second 2 trades. Third video is the final. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. Definitely have a wonderful weekend. The next couple of Fridays are going to be pretty busy for me. I have another GI appointment next weekend. I mean, if I haven't said it enough, I feel so much better. This celery juice is phenomenal. Okay. That is going to do it. So now officially been here, I'm guessing it's been about an hour now, hour and a half, 10:30. So yeah, it's been about an hour and a half that I've traded today. I'm done. I don't care what, I'm going to actually take my picture and then shut this down, because if I keep it open, I may find myself taking another trade, and I have plans. So we're going to shut this down. This is the end of the day for me. This is the end of the weekend. I do believe it's going to continue up, but I am done. I keep telling myself I'm done, and then I'll pick it back up and do it again, but no, this time it's done. So hope everybody has a fabulous weekend. I look forward to catching y'all next week, and I also look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side.